One more picture. Guys, look here.
Alright.
Bye.
Hindi pala ako. Saan mo pala ako? Di ba? Okay. Ay, saan po?
Tama. Dandan din.
Thank you guys. Sorry, nasanay na ako. Okay. So girls, kamusta naman sobrang fresh nyo today? Parang hindi na training. Pero si Baby, ako lang ito. No, pero 2 days ago, ang sakit ng katawan natin, di ba? Hanggang ngayon ba? Kasi nag-training na po kami for the first time for this year. Kumusta naman yung mga katawan nyo, guys?
Masakit pa rin. There's a sore.
Kasi recovering. Yeah, may mga basa-basa ba kayo? Si Colette, di ba parang first time mo ba ulit maglaro?
And first time ko din. Can you say? Ano sabi ko? Sobrang sarap. Pero sobrang sweet na ako. Kasi sobrang like, supposed pa rin katawan. Tapos naglaro na ako ng pasa. Dito sa...
Yes. Kasi kapag matagal hindi nag-volleyball, di ba? Ganun talaga ang hirap. Yes. By the way, thank you so much to our basketball players. Thank you. Okay. So, kung kumustahin ko kayo isa-isa, ano ang pinag-aabalahan ninyo, Chats?
Everybody's
Dito, kumusta yung preparations mo for All-Star Games?
So, well, hindi ako nakasama sa practice nung nakaraan. Kasi I had something. Pero, nag-gym.
Wow,
Ayun,
gym.
yun na lang muna yung ano ko, strength training and kailangan ko for air and everything. So, mahirap kasi pag-athlete. Hindi ako mag-volleyball. It was my first time last year and back again. Bench tayo. No, but it's really fun because we build a friendship, a community with them, and parang this is the time na nagsama-sama kami lahat. Parang in a span of a month or almost 2, ito yung parang pinakamatagal na nakikita namin yung isa't isa. So it's really fun lang, and yun.
Yay! Uy, alam mo ba, marami naman nag-start talaga na kailangan pa ng training, talaga. Pero after ilang years, di ba, from beginner na yung intermediate level.
Yeah. Sabi ko, Annalyn, MVP niya ako soon.
Kabahan ka na.
Babahan din ang Annalyn. Pero hindi ko na this year.
Okay, so tulad nakausap na natin kanina sa mga naging experience. Ikaw naman, Rain.
Ako naman po, I was also absent last time kasi I had Misbehave taping. We're still shooting Misbehave, but we hope you're watching.
Congratulations on this
Yes. Pero ito pa rin, naglalaro pa rin naman po ako from time to time. I even have battle scars on my knees. But like, I'm really excited for All-Star Games. We always look forward to it every single year. You'll see the athlete sides of us, and I feel like all of us are really, really good. Of course, nag-grow po tayong lahat. Even you ate, your serves, oh my gosh, nobody can even receive.
Kung pumasok. Thank you. Yeah, pero last year, Rain, di ba? Almost di ba? Parang medyo masakit yung naging match natin. Kasi talagang 3 sets, tapos ang close nung laban. So this year ba, extra motivation yun na papakawin kami?
Yes, always do better than your last performance. And feeling ko that was one of our best matches actually throughout all the years since 2019, my first ASG. So of course this year we're going to do better. As captain again, I'll do my best to lead my team, and of course we'll deliver, we'll serve. Yes.
Thank you, Rain. Ikaw naman, Vibery.
Yun nga, we did the first training and it was so fun. We had so much fun training. We missed some of the players, so next time guys, huwag na kayo magsalita. Para more fun. Ayan. But it was really fun. May mga pasa-pasa, but it's really important na may aftercare. Like always, ice your arms, your legs. Lalo na ngayon mainit, diba? So, yun. So, hopefully next time, mas madami kami para mas masaya.
Yes, so abangan niyo po yan. Again, August 23. Ikaw naman, Lela.
Hello po guys, good afternoon. Preparation natin. Siguro I prepared by, syempre kailangan na sa proper state ka ng mind and body, di ba? Kasi if not, sasakit talaga yung katawan katulad ng nangyari sa atin kasi first day in front of me. But ang saya talaga, nag-enjoy it. And sana yun nga, complete na tayo sana sa next training. No? And hindi lang yung sa training, but we also get to bond with each other. Kaya mas God bless everyone.
Totoo. Tsaka hindi lang mga volleyball, kasi magkasunod din, magkadikit yung trainings natin, di ba? Volleyball and basketball. I'm sure may mga friends din kayo sa basketball, di ba, Lela?
Opo.
Sila na
Ako yung tinanong mga dyan.
Nilalala ko kasi sa training natin, habang volleyball kami, habang downtime, basketball din siya dun sa
Show. May kalaro siya doon. Sino may kalaro mo doon?
Ay, grabe.
Wala ako, pero parang kilala ko sa inyo. Oo.
Oo, hindi ko na mo siyang basketball. Anyway, thank you, Lela. And Annalyn naman, ilang years na siyang MVP? 5 times ka ng MVP, no, Annalyn?
Yeah, hello everyone and to our media. Thank you for taking your time to be here today with us. Thank you so much. But to answer your question, Ate Ai, wala ko on Tuesday. I had to work, but I'm so excited to feel all the soreness in my body. Kasi ngayon lang ulit ako maglalaro ng volleyball and I'm so excited to be back, of course, along with my teammates. And of course, our kalaban. No, but this year, as always, I'm very excited to be part of the All-Star Magic Games. Parang other than like balls and events ng ABS, dito mo talaga makikita na nagsasama-sama lahat ng artista. Hindi naman competitive, but nandun siya at the same time nag-enjoy kami lahat. So I'm super excited to be back.
Pero palalabasin natin yung competitive side nyo. Kasi kanina narinig mo na yung sinabi ni Brain eh. We will deliver, we will serve, and everything. Ikaw naman, Annalyn, as the defending champion and MVP, ano masasabi mo doon?
Sabi niyo, we will serve and we will
Deliver. Gusto nilang bumabalik.
Babalik rin po, we will serve, I will deliver and serve. No, but we'll compete in a very, very friendly manner, as we do all the time.
Ano sabi mo nga, hindi ka nakasama sa training last Tuesday because you had work. So my next question is about that. How are you guys balancing work and play? Kasi syempre busy kayo sa mga projects nyo and maybe this is the time also to share with everyone. Ano ba yung mga pinagkakaabalahan yung projects? Let's start with Annalyn.
Now pa naman po, wala pa naman. But soon, we'll start with the rehearsals, The Art of Breaking Up. Ano niyo po yun?
Together! Si Annalyn!
Okay, together, first time guys. Abangan po natin. But other than that, wala pa naman po akong ginagawa ngayon. I just finished a movie. But we'll just wait for that also. But other than that, wala naman po. So training, excited na rin ako maglaro. So mas training ako hanggang August 22.
So the Art of Breaking Up under PETA yun, tama?
Yes.
Okay. And also, ikaw naman, Lela?
Ako naman po, meron po kami upcoming projects. Pero, I think, yeah, bawal pa po. But soon guys, meron. Abangan na po natin. But now, siguro focus muna tayo sa All-Star Games. And yun guys, panood po kayo.
Yay! Pero si Lela, ilang years ka na naglalaro? Matagal ka na naglalaro ng All-Star Games, tama ba?
Yes, third time ko na po ata to.
Yes. And last year, you were part of the Mythical Six.
Yes.
Yay! So, abangan po natin ngayon. Meron ba kayong parang rivalry na kung sino yung may MVP? Ha? Ngayon naman, this year,
I mean, ginajoke ko lang siya na, ate, pagbigyan mo na ako. Huwag mo nang galingan. Yeah, ganun.
And I think you're also gonna be playing with Maggie. Yes, how, can you tell us about that?
Actually, lately ko lang din po nalaman na kasali siya. Sabi ko, kasali ka pala. Kasi parang, tinatanong niya ako, like, what's the thing? Sabi ko, why? Sabi niya, I'm joining. But yeah, she's joining daw. So, first time na niya po maglaro for the All-Star. Pero, matagal na po talaga siya ini-invite at nagpa-volleyball. And this time, since nandito siya sa Philippines, maglalaro siya.
Wow! Okay, abangan din natin yan. Vibery, ikaw naman, ano pinagkakabalahan mo? Ano nga abangan namin sa'yo? Paano mo binabalance ang work and play?
Well, I'm pretty chill actually. Kakatapos lang ng term, summer term ngayon, but I didn't enroll. Itong classmate ko na si Ray, minsan sa mga classes namin eh. But yun, taping hasn't started yet, so aside from volleyball, I also play tennis on the side. So, ano lang, very, very chill lang. So, yun, abangan na lang nila yung series ko. So, yes.
Sakto pala, no?
Episode 6 just released yesterday. So sana manood po kayo. And we have 4 more episodes left. I'm also just training as well, gym, and making sure I'm also balancing my studies with Thames International. Parehas po kami nag-study doon. So I feel like it's just about discipline and weighing whatever you want to do at the same time. It's just really that strategic planning. And yeah, for this year, we're super excited. I believe the tickets are available tomorrow, 12 noon. I hope that you guys can buy. I'm pretty sure maraming manonood sa support sa ating lahat.
Yay! Dami nang text sa akin, parang, uy, para ba makakuha ng tickets, baka maubusan ako. Ganun na yung fear nila, tuksaan daw malala sa ticket. So, abangan niyo po yun tomorrow, 12 noon. Okay, and Colette, how about you? Paano mo binabalance ang lahat? Ano mo pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon?
Pinagkakaabalahan ko po ngayon, I have prepared po ako for the afterglow concert ni Mr. Jose Marichan.
Wow!
And magkakaroon din ako ng theater play sa The Art of Breaking Out.
Oo, magkasama kayo ni Annalyn.
Yes po, pero iba po yung
Parang ibang batch ka na.
And ano pa ba, aside sa taping, kakatapos lang din namin taping sa Blood vs. Duty. And kung sa free time ko naman, kung wala akong ginagawa, sinusure ko talaga na gumagala ako kasama with friends sa hiking, nature trips, yun.
So, fit ka talaga. Gusto mo talagang gumagalaw, lumalabas. Ganun.
Actually, ngayon lang. Ngayon lang kasi maraming nangyayari sa buhay ko na personal. So, kailangan ko mag-refresh and reset.
So, nag-enjoy ka na ba sa training natin sa volleyball?
Super nag-enjoy ako kasi first time kong sumali ng volleyball. And never pa akong naglago talaga. And last year, ang ginawa ko is nag-reviews.
Yay!
Si Keisha, si Kai. And sabi ko talaga, gusto kong sumali next year ng volleyball. And ayun, nag-train kami. And nagkaroon ako kasama sa kamay. At sumakit ko yung ako, which is sobrang saya. Parang ano lang din, bago lang sa akin. So parang sabi ko, magkakaroon din ako ng time para mag-volleyball.
Yes, and nakita nga namin, di ba? Nakapag-over na siya. Wow! Nakagaling no, from muse naging player. From player, hindi ka na pwede maging muse. Bakit? Kasi pumapasa ka na. Pag player ka na. Oo, mahirap na maging muse. Ikaw naman, Jazz.
Yes, right now I'm in the point in my life kasi na I'm just really exploring so many things. So I'm going back to my roots, nag-NGO ako, volunteer din ako from time to time kasi feeling ko I need to also broaden and, you know, have a greater purpose.
Wait, ano yung NGO? Anong ginagawa mo? That's so nice!
Nag-volunteer ako. I recently spoke sa United Nations and the SDGs, yes. And then, ang buhay, and then any friends ko under an organization, maybe for good governance, for environmental conservation, or leadership, youth leadership. So yun, nag-volunteer ako para yun. And then, hosting.
Yes! Congratulations, Shane! Host ng Star Magical Prom! Congratulations!
Thank you, Gabriel, yung pressure ko, Direct Lauren, yes. But I am just really happy for the opportunities also that I've been given. And I really love being active. Although hindi ko nakuha yung volleyball. Hindi ko talaga ginagawa ko.
Hindi pa.
Parang sabi mo ikaw, Kap, wala ba yung football, swimming, baseball, may baseball tayo ka, next year. Yeah, soon. So parang ginagawa ko iba except for volleyball. Ang hirap, but I'm really grateful for all of them. Kahit sina Annalyn, sila Lala, yung last year, tinutulungan din ako kahit magkalaban kami ng team. So that's really something that's beautiful within us na on the day, magkalaban kami, pero even trainings and stuff, we still help out each other.
Yun yung masaya, no? Sa trainings dito sa All-Star Games. Mas yun yung actually ipupunta mo, yung camaraderie, yung meeting new people, di ba? Na usually, hindi mo naman talaga kakausapin. Usually, hindi mo naman magiging friend kung hindi dahil sa All-Star Games. Okay, now let's focus on the volleyball aspect of it. So, ano daw yung skills nyo na nag-focus on kayo for this year? Rain, for you, ano ba yung parang you feel like ito yung i-improve ko this year?
I feel like last year po, I started jump surfing.
Wow!
That's all because of Love at First Fight training kasi nga, we're really volleyball players there. So talagang na-embody ko talaga yung volleyball player last year. So I feel like I'd still continue my jump serves, make it polished, and actually block even more and hit properly. I feel like my bird last year was not that high kasi siguro sa pagod or sa bigat ko. But this year I really want to try to, make myself better and do better than my last performance, of course.
Pero grabe ka last year, as in, kada palo mo sumisigaw lahat kasi ang lakas talaga. Parang, oh my gosh, parang dapat dalawa lang yung professional na player per team. Pero ikaw baka ka naging pro. Let's talk about that pala. How was it like, yung experience playing with the professional players? Like last year, we had Bella Belen, we had Angel Canino, di ba? Ang dami natin nakasama over the years.
For me po, super saya. Super saya po talaga siya kasi nababalance out nila yung team namin. Kasi not everybody is like intermediate, some people are just learning, and I feel like that's all with the patience you have for the game. And yun po, masaya, nagtatawanan po kami last year. I'm pretty sure we all fell on the ground once or twice. So I feel like this year will be much more fun.
And Annalyn, you were such a warrior last year. Kung hindi niyo po alam, ano ba yung parang may injury ka na naglalaro ka pa, as in namaga siya, umiiyak na siya sa dugout after.
No, tumama yung bola sa finger ko, so parang kind of moved. But not so much naman na kailangan kumabaran, but it was maga after the game. Pero kasi ayaw nila akong palabasin. So I had to force myself to play, but of course, volleyball is all about consistency. So yun yung gusto ko mangyari sa akin for this year. I want to be more consistent because I know last year, hindi masyado maganda yung laro when I was just laughing the whole time. Parang nang nakakatawa sa court, wala masyado. But we were just all laughing and then sabi-sabihan na ako na parang, ayun, malapit naman namin yung kabila, you have to go na. Kasi okay, I'm sorry. And then, yun, but yeah, consistency, people kailangan namin lahat yun. Kasi everyone I know now can play. Grabe yung difference from a few years back nung tinuturuan pa lang namin yung iba. Tapos ngayon din sila Vibe knows how to spy, knows how to serve.
Yes.
Actually, si Vibe yung pinaka nakita ko na nag-improve sa amin lahat. And of course, so excited to play with sila Carmela and Ate Maggie. Yeah.
Si Vibery, open spiker na ngayon.
Yes.
Alam mo, may kwento ako dyan.
Oh, ano yun?
Kasi sabi ko, Kap, hindi na maglalaro this year. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako marunong. Sabi niya, alam mo, Jazz, si Vibery, she stayed consistent. And look at her now. Ang galing na yung vibe. So sabi ko, okay. So idol ko si Vibery.
Yes!
Yes.
Ginawa ko pala example.
Pick up talaga eh, kaya ako naglalaro. Pero, no, jokes aside, it's really nice hearing those words from my teammates, yung mga kasama ko sa volleyball, di ba? Syempre, even though sometimes you feel like, oh my God, kaya ko ba? Like, it's so scary talaga kasi big arena eh. There's a lot of people watching and you really want to do well, di ba? You really want to show up. So, during trainings talaga, I make sure na binigay ko lahat ko. Yung efforts and everything. So, yeah, thank you guys.
Yay! Okay, so Colette, alam mo na rin. Dapat every year, kasama ka na rin. So thank you so much, ladies. Again, to everyone watching, please use our hashtag ASG2026 MediaCon and also hashtag All-Star Games 2026. There you go. Okay, so that wraps up our MediaCon with the Lady Warriors and Spikers. Answers were as sharp as their serves. But before I let you go, ladies, any final message to everyone? Please invite everyone sa All-Star Games 2026. Let's start with Annalyn.
Hello po everyone. Sana abangan niyo po kami sa August 23. Abangan niyo po kami August 23. All-Star Games po. Super excited. Sana makita namin kayo lahat.
Yes po. And kami pong lahat nag-training po kami ng maayos para mabigyan kayo ng magandang laro. At sana po panoorin niyo po kami on August 23 All-Star Games sa MOA Arena po.
Ayan, mga kababayan, panoorin niyo po kami sa August 23 sa MOA Arena. Tickets will be available tomorrow at 12 noon sa smtickets.com and smtickets outlets nationwide. Help us.
Huwag po tayo mag-away sa pila. But I hope everybody enjoys August 23, and I hope you love our performance. We're working very hard for this. I hope you see a different side of us and what we want to show as our entertainment. Would love to help us all out to conduct this game. So I hope not only the Philippines, but of course people from Thailand can support and watch us. Grabe po. We're really broadening our network, and it's really a good thing. And I hope everybody just enjoys and have fun.
Yes, I guess.
Wag mo tanong na. Oo, gusto lahat ng details.
Sasabi na.
Abangan na po, yes.
Gano'n lang sasabi. At bakit kalimutan na nanood ng volleyball?
Bisaya
Sa August 23 sa mga taga Mindanao, pagka doon ang Manila, bigay parang ulot ng ticket. Huwag niyo kalimutan at ang tickets are available bukas 12.
Okay, thank you ulit.
Ayun, so panoorin yung women's volleyball, juniors basketball, and basketball po sa mga lalaki against Thailand. So, sabi ni Colette Mindanao, ako mga Visayas. Bawat siyang tanan, walang tao to enjoy, not just Team Star Magic, but also Team G MMTV. Yes, it's gonna be fun, and remember, August 23.
Ano ba po pala, shout out din po sa mga waray dyan. Hello? Tawag po kayo.
Sa mga taga Bohol din.
Alin na mo diri, Manila na.
Pananaw na mo. Kuha na mo tickets tomorrow.
Yan.
Ay, pero nabanggit mo na yung number na nasa,
Yes.
di ba last year number mo 95? Paano di ko pareho ang number last year sa basketball? Pareho din ba kayo this year?
Medyo military ay. Actually, for today lang to na number. Abangan na lang nila sa...
Alam mo, di ba kakaalaman sino magkakapareho ang number sa Star Magic All-Star Game?
Best in ano kasi ako, best in cheering. Yun na lang yung ambag ko talaga. Oo.
Yan, pero abangan mo natin, napakarami pong abangan sa All-Star Games 2026 aside from the 2 basketball games, isang volleyball game, baka meron din pong performances, no, Kap? Confirmed. Sino kaya ang mga magpa-perform na artists? Abangan po natin yan. Again, tickets will be out tomorrow, July 10 at 12 noon sa smtickets.com and sa SM Tickets outlets nationwide. So, supportahan po natin mga kapamilya. Good luck po sa puksaan ng tickets. For the past years, we have been sold out. So, get your tickets agad-agad po. So, thank you once again to all of our